Are you at the crossroads of choosing the perfect platform to run your online business for your digital products so you can monetize what you already know? Then you are in the right place. Whether it's a course or membership, or maybe you plan to monetize your podcast in the future. Hi there, I'm Nadia, and I am here to shed some light on all things digital products and systems to run your online business. So, whether you're new here or you have been in the online space for a while, this video is for you. We will be breaking down the features of Kajabi so you can understand what it offers. And if you haven't heard of Kajabi, Kajabi is an all-in-one platform to run your online business for creators, for teachers, for podcasters, for trainers, for anyone who wants to take their knowledge online and get paid for it. All right. So let's start with understanding who Kajabi is not for. All right. So if you, for example, have physical products, then Kajabi may not be the best fit for you simply because Kajabi was originally created to host online courses. Back in 2010, it was developed to strictly host online courses. At that time, maybe sell digital downloads, but mostly for online courses. All right. So selling physical products is just not going to cut it with Kajabi. I would direct you to check out Shopify or Wix for those needs if you have physical products. However, if your main offer or your main offers are digital products such as downloads, courses, maybe you have a membership, then Kajabi could truly become your one-stop tool for all things. I personally have been using Kajabi for 4 years now, and I run about 90% of my business. So, which means I take payments, I use it for email marketing, I host my website, my blog, and many other things. I do online training, so I actually switched from using Zoom to Kajabi only to provide one-on-one support for my clients. So it really can become that one tool. And the best part is that you don't have to switch from one software to another. You don't have to remember the passwords. You don't have to worry about connecting all those things and have them talk to each other, right? So this is a one tool that really can be your great start for your online business. Or even if you have been using different tools, maybe you want to downsize, you feel like it's just too much, it's getting overwhelmed, that really can become your just one stop tool. Okay, so now I will take you in the back end of Kajabi so you can see exactly what it looks like and what you are getting with it. Okay, what includes what kind of features you will have and what you can do with it. So now go over to my page at www.solositesolutions.com/Kajabi to get your extended free trial. Because if you go to the homepage of Kajabi, you will only be getting 14 days. Be sure to check my page www.solositesolutions.com/Kajabi for promotions and maybe special offers. But at the minimum that you will be getting is the 30 days free, as well as additional bonuses. So again, these bonuses may be changing from time to time, as well as promotions. We have some seasonal promotions for either more time for a free trial, or maybe reduced monthly subscription cost. So it really depends. So check back often to see what's going on. Okay, what kind of promotions are happening. So let's go back to the homepage and just kind of see what, again, kind of recap what you can do with Kajabi. Again, you can do courses, membership, you can monetize your podcast, you can host your own community and coaching. I personally provide one-on-one coaching to my clients via Kajabi, and I absolutely love it. Now, let me take you onto the back end of Kajabi so you can see exactly what features it offers and what you can do with it. So first and foremost, you can host your website. Of course, it can be as simple as just one page, a landing page, or you can build an actual website. I personally host my website on Kajabi, and I absolutely love it. And you can publish your blog. I also have my blog on Kajabi, and for SEO purposes, it's fantastic. I have no complaints. The next thing that you can do, of course, is host your courses. As I mentioned, coaching, community, and you can monetize your podcast. So you can actually have your podcast public, but it's hosted on Kajabi. But what's a good part of it is that you are only paying one price. So as Kajabi adding more features and capabilities, the price will not increase. So you will not need to worry about signing up for another platform for additional costs. It's pretty much the price has not changed in about 5 years now for their monthly subscription. So you can definitely switch your podcast to Kajabi. Now, what else can you do? You can, of course, sell your offers or your courses, right? Or even if it's just digital downloads, you can also do that. So you will just be able to connect Kajabi payments or Stripe and PayPal or all of them and choose how you want to get paid. Now, Kajabi also offers coupons, of course, if you're running a promotion, some discounts, you can do that. You can also have affiliates on your site. Again, it's all in one place. You don't have to use a third-party tool to bring in your affiliates. All connected, all seamless. You can see all of the stats and data, who signed up, how much money they made, what offers they sold, and all that. Now, of course, your CRM is also included in Kajabi. Again, this is a new account, so this is not much going on here, but all of your contacts here and do email marketing. Okay, again, this is all new, but once we have some things here, there will be more, of course. But you can send email sequences, you can send one-time broadcasts, you can create events, which means you can set up timers on your website, and so much more. So here's all of the features that you will be getting. All right. Again, if you feel like Kajabi is the right tool or you want to give it a try, you've heard all the good things about Kajabi, today is the right day to get started. Again, head over to www.solositesolutions.com/Kajabi. Check out the current promotions. We do have promotions going on pretty much every month. At the minimum, you will be getting 30 days and, of course, bonuses. And I am really looking forward to seeing you on the inside. Send me your website once you create it. Comment here and see if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. And I am excited for you. This journey will take you far. I'm wishing you all the best. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.